Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to filter out pro elements here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Filtering out pro elements here in Canva is a straightforward process that can be useful, especially if you're working within certain limitations or preferences. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the design or project that you're working with, or click the create a design option if you wanted to start from scratch. In my case, I'm going to be choosing the templates. I'm gonna click on the YouTube thumbnail because after recording this video, I'm going to upload the thumbnail alongside with it in our G+ YouTube channel. Now, here's basically how you can filter out pro elements in Canva. All right, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on Elements. You see all the elements that has a crown icon. That's gonna be like the premium or pro elements. All right, for example, we're going back to for example, we're hovering to the photos. These photos that doesn't have the crown icon are free, and you can use it basically here, any part of the Canva. Now, if you click on with the Pro subscription, you'd notice that there's going to be a watermark in Canva. All right. So before you can use it or download it on the share, there's going to be a notification. You can scrub it, right? You see, it will prompt you to upgrade to use this feature, which is going to be the Canva Pro for free. All right. Now let me get back again to it. You see, if you go to the photos right here, type in free, right? You see photos free, unlock the entire library of premium photos free for 30 days. There's going to be an option here for the filter, all right? Say on the elements right here. You see, there's going to be a filter here, static, animated, and go to this option that says free. Basically, that's how you filter out pro images or elements here, especially if you're working with free resources, and avoids the frustration of accidentally using pro content that requires a subscription. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.